Next up on our list, we have Public. Now, Public is a brokerage account that offers commission-free stock, ETF, and options trading, just like Robinhood, but there are some noteworthy differences between them. In my opinion, the key feature that Public offers that separates them from others now is their new Alpha AI research tool. This tool is powered by GPT-4, and it offers real-time insights and analysis on stocks, ETFs, crypto, and other assets. It's free to use as long as you have a Public account, which doesn't cost anything either for the free version of it, and it simplifies the investment research process by offering accessible AI-driven insights. Another key feature here is that Public also offers a social feed where you can see what other investors are buying and share your own thoughts on the market moves. For options traders, Public offers a unique options order flow rebate program, allowing traders to earn between 6 and 18 cents per stock or ETF options contract traded. This rebate amount depends on your current and previous month's trading volume, but it's awesome that they offer this because you're not seeing this from other brokerage accounts out there. Another key difference about Public is that they do not engage in the practice of PFOF or payment for order flow. This means that Public does not receive compensation from market makers in exchange for routing client trade orders to them. Meanwhile, Robinhood and others do receive compensation for this. Public opts for this more transparent market model where you can actually tip them if you want to support these free and open markets without potential conflicts associated with traditional brokerage compensation models. In addition, another key noteworthy feature is that Public offers a high-yield cash account that allows you to earn a competitive rate of interest on your uninvested cash. Now, yes, you can earn a high yield through Robinhood and others, but in some cases, these are premium services that require Robinhood Gold, which is $5 a month right now. Public also offers bond investment accounts where you can make direct bond investments, which is something that most other investing apps do not offer. And just to be clear, we are talking about direct investments into bonds themselves. We're not talking about an indirect investment like buying into a bond ETF, for example. These bond accounts allow users to potentially purchase a diversified portfolio of corporate bonds, for example, offering a fixed yield of up to 7% as of May 2025, but keep in mind this is subject to change.